Hello, this episode will show you what to do for parts month end. So to start with, you need to go to the 2500 menu, and the first report we need to queue, all these reports are queued, they run through the batch overnight. So the first one we need to queue is the 2211 report. To do that, we type the letter Q and 2211, press enter. Counterman productivity report screen displays. First option we want to select is number 1, the complete report. At the start date, we put in the start date of the month that is finishing, so that's the 1st of the first 12 in this instance, and 31st of the first 12 for the ending date. Is that correct? Yes. Okay, now we need to put in the time that this is going to run. So generally you want this to run after the update all is finished. What we'll do is we'll set this to run in the morning of the following day. So we'll set it to run at 2 o'clock in the morning, and we just enter that in 24-hour format. Hit return. It's got a printer that it needs to go to. So if that's not the correct printer, you can just say no. Just type in the printer name that you want it to go to. Hold is always yes, because we want to archive the reports later, and C for compressed. Hit return, and that one's done. The next report we need to queue is the 2223, the extended value report. So again, we type Q 2223, hit enter. Now for makes, we want A for all. For the sources, you want A for all. The report sequence, you want it to come out in source part numbers, that's number 5. The spacing is single spacing. Physical inventory is no. Minimum value, include parts with negative coding on hand, no. Minimum extended value to print is 0. Totals only is yes. Correct is yes. And we'll set this to run 5 minutes after the previous one. Again, change the printer to be the printer that you want. Hold. And done. Okay, next report we need to queue is the 2182 report. So Q2182. Continue yes. And yes to that question, because we're going to queue this, so that'll be okay. The month and year, so it's 0112. 01/12. Don't forget to put the slash in. You'll then get a little message box. You're about to run monthly procedure closing month January. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Queue time will go 5 minutes after the other report. Again, change the printer to be the whole printer. Make sure we go to compress mode, and that one's done. Last report for parts month end is the Q2192 report. So we put the month in, select enter. Dialog box comes up, click the yes button for that. Now what we'll do is we'll have this run tomorrow morning at 5 minutes past the last report, and this is only going to be a once-off report run. Type in the printer name, number of copies is 1, print size is compressed, hold is yes. Hit enter, and that's it. That's all the reports that need to be queued for parts end of month.